if you have knee problem or ankle problem, there's a plant named comfrey. What you do, you grab a leaf and you squeeze it up, squeeze it up, squeeze it up until you see it start breaking up and the juice start coming out of it. You just continue, break it up, break it up, break it up. And when you're done, you take this and you place it right on your knee, right where the pain is hurting. And when you're done, you take a plastic wrap and you wrap it wrong and tightly and leave it for hours. And I guarantee you, man, the pain gonna just disappear. It works for me, and there's a lot of good review on this plant. So guys, you can try it. One thing I recommend, don't use it on if you have a cut or something. I don't think it for interior, I think it for exterior, the skin. So make sure the skin is don't have any cut, and you just place it where it start hurting, wrap it, and just keep it there for a few hours, man. And I'm telling you, sometimes the pain disappear without you even knowing. For real.